the first campuses of two of our premier institutes of learning, the IIT and the IIMs, also signifies our intention and our resolve to invest in future generations. I recall a discussion very clearly between Dr. Jaishankar and President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed way back in December 2022, when Dr. Jaishankar pointed out that IIT is perhaps an institution with a global reputation, but with a national presence, and we want to track the brand overseas. But before Dr. Jaishankar could continue with the sentence, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed said that bring it to Abu Dhabi. And that's how, about a year ago, in January last year, we had the first overseas campus of IIT Delhi in Abu Dhabi. And within a short span of 1 year, the campus has already started BTech courses, MTech courses, PhD programs, and most importantly, it's well entrenched in the innovation ecosystem of this country. More recently, in April this year, just a few months back, during the visit of Sheikh Hamdan, the Crown Prince of Dubai, to India on the invitation of Prime Minister, another such initiative was announced, which is the setting up of IIM Ahmedabad branch in Dubai. And as we speak, the campus, the building is being renovated, being furnished, and the first course, MBA course, will actually start in September, in a few months from now. We'll also have a campus of the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade. Again, the first ever overseas campus of IAFT. It will happen in the India Pavilion in Dubai Expo City. As far as global impact is concerned, initiatives like the I2U2, IMEC, India and the UAE have been very significant partners. About the I2U2, some projects like the food security project, food park projects are well underway between the UAE and India. Even as far as IMEC is concerned, while the other partners in IMEC might be preoccupied with other issues, India and the UAE are clearly progressing very well. In February last year, we actually signed, in the presence of our leaders, intergovernment framework on implementing IMEC. And we are moving very well ahead to set up something which we call the virtual trade corridor. Work on this was actually announced during the visit of Sheikh Khalid, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, in September, India last year.